Hey guys, so today we are going to solve one more question from section A of part 1 of CMA USA course. Let's get into the question. A statement of financial position provides a basis for all of the following except computing rates of return, evaluating capital structure, assessing liquidity and financial flexibility, determining profitability and assessing past performance. Before getting into the question, I have a question mark. That is, what is this financial position? What is this financial position? Financial position refers to balance sheet only. Financial position refers to balance sheet only. And when it comes to financial statements, we have 5 different statements in that according to US GAAP. They are balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flows, statement of comprehensive income and statement of changes in stockholders equity. And now let's get into the question. I hope all of you are clear with the point that financial position refers to balance sheet. If you were not knowing this before, comment it down in the comments section. And now what they are asking is, a statement of financial position provides a basis for all of the following except means this financial position will give a basis for all of these following calculations but not for one. Which is that one? We should find out. First one, through balance sheet can we find the rates of return? Yes, definitely. And through balance sheet can we find the capital structure of a company? Definitely. Capital structure means debt plus equity. So we can find this out. That's why this is also not the answer. Through balance sheet can we find the liquidity of the company? Can we find the financial flexibility? Yes, we can find. But through balance sheet can we find the profits of the company? If any one of you have ever found the profits of the company in the balance sheet, please let me know in the comment section, which is next to impossible. Got it? But we can find this profit and also we can assess the past performances in one statement, that is income statement. So this is the right answer, and always remember you should concentrate on this word except. That's why you will be able to find the perfect answer. And I hope you are clear. If you have any queries, just write it down in the comment section.